have another Stitch Fix gem box. Now these are purely picked by the stylist. I believe her name is Mary, if I'm correct. Careful not to actually cut through this outfit. I'm shaking the camera. Okay. Alright, as previous box. This is what comes in it. Right. We have the return label. And the love notes. And I wasn't sure what they were first, so let's make this right this time. Yes, her name is Mary. That's my stylist. Thank you, Mary, for sending me another strange box. And then these are the outfit choices to go with whatever the heck is in there. So I actually print out how you can wear your garments with what works and so on, which is nice because obviously I'm not a stylist, I'm the customer. And this gem is how much everything costs, basically. That's your like it has your sizes, what each item costs. If you buy all of them, you get 25% off entire purchase. And this free shipping. And then this order is valued at $197.50. So now I'm curious. I always struggle with this part for some reason. Just a sticker, people. Sticker. Alright. I'm just gonna whatever. I'll leave my stuff on the side. We have something heavy again, like the previous pencil, maybe. Oh no, it's a wrap dress, which I did ask for. Let's see. It is made in Guatemala by Kaileigh. Yeah, Kaileigh. And it is a dress, wrap dress. Alright, so I am curious about this. Not crazy about the pattern, but again, I like things that are plain. Oh, so this is, I did mention that I like going to the beach. So we have a little cover up by Emory Park. It's called Talia lace kimono. It's pretty lacy. It's nice. You can go to the beach and. Okay, third item is heavy as well. Okay, this is by Klein. Nice and solid blue, and This is Dustin roll sleeve blouse in navy. You can adjust your sleeves. I might be wrong, just guessing. Ooh. And now we have a pair of shorts. They look a little see-through. I guess this will require a thong. This is 151 Blair utility pocket twill shorts. I like that it's got pockets everywhere. Maybe that one is cheaper. And now lastly we have a pair of pants. It's by 41 Hawthorn Becca adjustable hem straight long leg pant. Gray. Let's say grayish blue. But you know, you can wear it with several options. No pockets in the back. And then small pockets up front. But I guess you would have a purse with you or something. Okay. So we have pants. What is this material? Some cotton, some spandex, the usual mix. Alright. Oh, why is everything so heavy? Heavy garments. Except the shorts. And the shorts are made out of 98% cotton, only 2% spandex. Alright, so that's nice. And thicker cotton. And what did Klein give us today? Good old polyester. 96% polyester and 4% spandex. Okay. And this feels very flammable. Let's see what this one was. All right, resume the programming. Back to your regular scheduled programming. And we have a loud truck outside. Anyways, this feels like it's just poof on fire in seconds. So don't go near any kind of flame torch. It says dry clean only, which is already too high maintenance. And it is 100% polyester. I mean, it's pretty, it's just shame it's hazard. You can go up in flame. This dress is super heavy. I don't think I checked. Oh yeah, it was 95% polyester and 5% spandex. Okay, at least you can wash it in the machine. Yeah, that's another thing, like I don't want to be bothered with dry cleaning. I don't want to be bothered by some special solutions. Just give me a garment that looks nice, that fits right, and doesn't cost all my organs. Well, a few that are left. All right, so I'm going to put them on, try them on, because they only give you 3 days to return this crap, so and then you have to pay for the whole thing. And I'm not paying for this that much. And I'm not sure if I will be doing a 3rd box, because this is... I mean, Mary tried, but I don't think this would be something I will be continuing to discover further. I have a few other options coming up, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Marta or Martha. Never know which one you're gonna get. Mostly Marta. And I will do more of these gems, different companies, so keep watching. Do widzenia!